Hello and welcome my dear friends to my channel. In this video I am going to give you the trick of magic numbers. Yes, this trick is called magic number. With these magic numbers you would be able to learn all the atomic numbers of higher members of periodic table. Higher members means potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, as you can see, or platinum, gold, thallium, plumbum. So these elements are recognized to be the higher members of the periodic table. Before proceeding further, you may refer to my earlier video in which I have given you the trick to learn all the names of the members of S block and P block. You may go and watch that video too. So let's start this video's content. Magic numbers. As you can see that 2, 8, 8, 18, 18 and 32. These are the magic numbers to learn this trick. Now I explain in detail what is magic number. As you can see in S block and first group, it is hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. You can learn the atomic number of hydrogen, lithium. You know that it's 1 of hydrogen, 3 of lithium and 11 of sodium, but you need the atomic number of cesium and you don't recall it, but you know that it is a S block element. Then what do you have to do to learn that or to recall the atomic number of cesium? Then it is the trick all about those things. Just take, so the atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and of lithium is 3. So you can see here that 1 plus 2 is 3, that is the atomic number of lithium. Similarly, when we add 8, that is our second magic number, 8, then it becomes 11, which is the atomic number of sodium. Again we add the third magic number, that is again 8, then it gives 19, which is the atomic number of potassium. Now when we add 18, as you can see here, then 18 gives 37, which is the atomic number of. Similarly for cesium we add 18, then it gives 55, which is the atomic number of cesium, and the last but not the least we add 32, that gives 87, and that is the atomic number of francium. So you can see that how easy it is. Hydrogen is 1, then 3, 11, 19, 37, 55 and 87. That is, you can see that these are the magic number. 2 comes 1 times, 8 comes twice, 18 comes twice and 32 comes a single time in the last. The same trend of magic number goes for all the groups, that is for beryllium means second group, for boron family, carbon family and so on. But what you have to notice is that when you started from the row 1, that is series 1, then you added 2. But if you start from beryllium, that is of second group, as you can see here, not second group, it's of period, second period, then you don't have to add 2, you would have to add 8. This you would have to notice while using this trick. You can see that hydrogen, after hydrogen helium is the second element and then lithium is the one. That's why we added 2. But for beryllium it is boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium and then after magnesium. So magnesium is the 8th element after beryllium. Similarly, calcium is the 8th element after magnesium and strontium is the 18th element after calcium. You can also add from scandium to and then D block, P block, and then strontium comes on the 18th place after calcium. Let us take another example of P block. For P block we take carbon family. So for carbon family you can see that atomic number of carbon is 6, then 14, 32, 50 and 82. So when we add plus 8, when we add 8 to carbon, that is 6 plus 8 gives 14, which is the atomic number of silicon. Similarly we add then 18, again 18 and then 32. So yes, this time you can notice that we have not added 2 and we have added 8 only once. This you have to remember while using this trick. So here you can see that for hydrogen and helium only, that is for 2 elements, you have to add 2. That is our first magic number. For lithium and beryllium, means that is, if you start adding from lithium or from beryllium, then you will add 8 twice, and if you start adding from B, that is for boron till carbon, then you add 8 only once and not twice. Recall that I have cut this 8 and here it is that it comes from here.